how to appeal TikTok community guidelines violation. So if you want to appeal TikTok community guidelines violation, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. From the profile, go and select a video. Once you've selected your video, you can go with your video analytics, which is on the bottom left. On the bottom left, you can tap on more, but make sure that you don't have a private account, because if you have a private account, you won't be able to appeal something. Make sure that you have a public account, or make sure that you have received some community guidelines violation. Once you've received the violation, open up the video in which you've received the violation and then go with the bottom left and go with more insights. After that, you can't view the video analysis, but it says that video is not eligible as it violates the community guidelines. Now go on the top. On the top, you will have appeal option. You need to tap on the appeal, then tap on submit, which will be on the bottom. You have now successfully sent a request. You will be notified once your appeal request is available. So following these steps, you can easily appeal on your TikTok community guidelines violation. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.